And now, welcome to everyone's favorite show, Unpacking with Dee. Dee Dee Dee.
Hi, everybody. No, I'm not gonna be cheesy. Hey,
wow. So good.
We are not conventional, and I was gonna do a packing video, so that didn't happen. So we're gonna do an unpacking video.
Same thing, just in reverse.
Yeah. Don't show everything.
I'm not. I can't pan down. Look at all that stuff. Look, you got a secret pouch. I can't show what's in there. Whoa.
So, first and foremost, like last time, got all your toiletries. So this is a 14-day cruise. For this, I actually filled 2 of the little travel, what do you call them?
Bottles.
Bottles with shampoo, because 14 days, I have lots of hair. And then just 1 with conditioner. And I figure if I run out of the shampoo, I can use the ship shampoo and I just have like a really good conditioner. And dry shampoo, heat spray, hairspray, micellar water, and powder. And there's contact solution in there too. Deodorant, razor, makeup setting spray, makeup, contacts, toothbrush. That's all I really need.
Nice. In your beautiful little hanging cosmetic bag.
I love this thing. I'm just gonna go right on the back of the bathroom door.
There you go.
Ta-da! Out of the way, and everything where you need it. So it saves a lot of counter space too. I brought a rain jacket because, well, we're fleeing a hurricane, and then I didn't know what was going to be out in the water. So don't know if I'll need that, but it's good to have. Secret pouch.
Huh? Secrets. Don't show your bras on video.
Stop. I do recommend, ladies, a strapless bra, just because a lot of your formal wear, you need something like that, or if you wear tank tops a lot like I do, you don't want your bra strap showing. So I went very minimal on jewelry for this cruise.
This is your famous glasses case jewelry packing that you always do.
I don't necessarily recommend this. This is just what I do.
You spend a little while untangling.
Nah. So I have like smallish necklaces in here. You'll see them. We'll do an outfit of the day. Some fake fun rings to be a little fancier. A anchor necklace. I had to think of the word. These are my dolphin earrings.
From Ivy.
From Ivy Morales. Thank you so much. My ParoDeeJay bracelet that we got in Costa Maya. My Diamonds International bracelet, which I intend to do some video on and add some more charms, hopefully, and then just some other necklaces, which you'll see. So, hair accessories, bobby pins, rubber bands, tie-to-go pen because you use that in your hair. Lots of little tiny rubber bands. I kind of wanted to do some different things with my hair because it's such a long trip, so I've been watching lots of hair tutorials. Don't know that it's going to pan out that way, but we'll see. I do like to play with hair though. My own. And some more hair like headbands and things like that. This is all of my shirts for the entire trip. I'm very proud of myself.
I'm kind of proud too.
I know. So lots of fun like tropical prints. You'll see them in the outfit of the day.
That's right. OOTD videos coming.
So very lightweight. A lot of them are Old Navy. As you guys probably know, I do like Old Navy. They do wrinkle. So I'm going to go ahead and get them hung up as soon as possible because I did iron them before I packed those.
Kind of looks like a jungle threw up in there a little bit.
Thanks for the comment.
Oh, hey.
Undies.
Uh-oh, don't show those.
All of them are in there.
Nope, we're not looking.
Nope. Blend roller.
Must.
Booty ball.
Booty ball for that rolling.
This is not a necessity for everybody.
No.
Just me. Formal wear and dresses. So this is a Journeys cruise. So we do have 2 formal nights and 1 elegant evening.
Well, the other way around. 2 cruise elegant and 1 formal.
So you'll see, and I think for one of them I'm actually going to wear a black jumpsuit that I've fallen in love with, and it can be formal and you just dress it up a little bit more, and I'm so excited for that. So you'll see.
That white JCPenney bag does not look very formal to me, but I mean if you say so.
Sure. Those are going straight into the closet, and they're on hangers, which I do recommend having your own hangers or something like that, just so it doesn't take up all the other hangers. And just folding it, or a garment bag works like that too. I talked about wrinkly clothes, so we got Downy wrinkle releaser. I don't know how well it actually works, but we'll try it out for this. They all the ships do have laundry rooms, and they have a ironing board and iron if you want to go use one though. I'm lazy, so I'll probably just try this.
Be nice if we found that in a smaller size, but you know.
Yeah, well, last minute thing. Got some body spray, some hair smoothing treatment because, woo, my hair gets pretty. And some floss. That was the last minute purchase.
That's right. If you watched our Houston vlogs, you saw us purchase all 3 of those items.
Thank you to Rob and Favor for taking us around again.
Yes.
Teasing comb.
Neener, neener, neener.
And just a comb.
Does the one comb teases the other comb,
It does.
obviously.
A fancy headband. And then this broke, so I had to put it in a bag before I traveled out.
Oh, your Derma brush zipper.
It's
Yeah.
a Derma brush for good skin cleaning. Foot lotion, because, you know, your feet can get gross. Facial pad to use with my cellar water.
Right, so all of that was the first half of the suitcase. Now we have
Yeah.
the second half of the suitcase.
I literally brought one pair of socks for
Nice
if it's
one.
cold in here because none of my shoes really require it. I have one pair of footy socks in these. I'll probably steal some from Jay if I need it because we all know how many socks he has.
Whatever.
I brought 2 hats of the ParoDeeJay hats because
Ta-da.
you gotta self-represent. And a Sela B hat by Roxy, which I love. It's so cute. And I think it goes with most of my outfits that I'm gonna wear. If not, I don't care. I'm gonna rock it anyway.
That's right.
Shoes. So I went very simple with shoes. The lighter the better. So these are Montego Bay Club, and my sister gave these to me like a long time ago. They come off as a little bit fancy, but you can also wear them to the beach. By no means are they like formal, but I get away with it. Flat, lightweight, easy.
You make your own rules.
That's right. For flats, I have my lovely teaks that are so comfortable, and these can be worn formal too. I do not do heels. I'm 6 foot. I don't need them. So some nice patent leather, actual leather, I think. Flat shoes. We're doing some excursions this time that I think are going to be like wet, but you're also hiking. So I did bring my H2O Go Skechers. They basically like are water shoes that you can wear and like hike in. So I think they're comfortable. They're kind of like different style of Crocs almost.
Yeah,
They're
almost
kind of
like a
rubber,
Croc.
but a little fancier, I suppose. So we'll see how that goes. And then I brought my black Skechers, which I wore. I'm not going to show them because I don't know where they are. And my black Crocs. So I brought all black shoes. No variety, but I figure they go with anything easier. So
Versatility.
very simple, I told you. Brought a bath poof.
Oh, poof.
This
Oh, the packing
is-
cubes.
Yeah. I brought a blue lightweight sweatery jacket. I brought a black one for dinner to go over because I am always cold. And then I brought a coral one just for a pop of color. And I have an oatmeal colored open sweater as well that's packed in my backpack. And then pants, I went very simple. I brought one pair of dark jeans, a pair of light jeans that I wore in the plane, a black pair of dressy pants for dinner, and a white pair of dressy pants for dinner or daytime, doesn't matter. That's all the pants I brought for 14 days.
Wow.
So, luckily we have laundry, so I can launder if I need to. I focus more on shorts, really, I think. And then this packing cube, I have one nightshirt.
Mhm.
I have a couple of swim cover-ups. That one. I have a maxi skirt for dinner as well, so it's black. Or you can wear it during the day. It's super comfortable. I highly recommend. I've never actually done a maxi skirt on a cruise, but you can make some really cute outfits with that. And it can be dressed up or down. Brought a waterproof pair of like running shorts, but I'm not running, so. I brought one lightweight hoodie for when I go watch movies on deck. Actually, I lied. I have my Carnival hoodie too, so I have 2 because I'm always cold.
You are.
I brought one pair of jean shorts and I bought another pair of like lightweight comfortable pull-on shorts. I recommend bringing like easy to wear, just stuff you can throw on and throw a t-shirt and a pair of shorts on and just walk around the ship because you don't always want to have like fancy clothes or be like super dressed up. You might want to go breakfast and then change. Just throw something on easily. Then I brought these black shorts I'm wearing. What is this? Black bike shorts. I don't know. I just brought them. A pair of white long shorts. And that's a swim cover up. So we now have the duffel. Normally on 7-day cruises or shorter, I do not need a suitcase and a duffel, but we're going for 14 days and we wanted to make sure we could take everything that we needed. So
you've got some of my stuff in there too.
I do. So the first bag is snacks that we acquired from Favor and Rob and Target and various places.
Yeah.
We did not get to eat in the 4 days we were in
We didn't
Houston.
eat all our Houston snacks.
Okay, next we have a dry bag, a big version and a small version. Oops, this is trying to stow away as well. And a neck pouch that you can put cash, your card, your cell phone if you want, in that and take it into the water just so you don't have to worry about those things laying around on the beach. And the dry bag is for larger items like cameras. I guess you can put a drone in there. I don't know if I would swim with a drone.
I don't know.
Jay can tell you about that. We brought our squid, which is very handy, especially when you make YouTube vlogs. So you will have access to 4 other plugs, as well as the 1 more that we showed earlier. So you can charge a lot of things all at once, and it's fine to use on the ship because there's no surge protector. Or
it's just considered a small extension cord.
Yep, and we took them on the last cruise, and they are great. So we really recommend those.
You can charge all those batteries.
I threw in last minute some ponchos. I've had these things for like 2 years and we've never used them, but you never know. They'll go in my port day bag, just in case. So there's 2 ponchos. I have my lovely tumbler from Ricky and Laura. They got it for my birthday, and I recommend bringing some sort of thermos or tumbler, something that you can get drinks out of, because the drinks are yay big. You know, the cups on the Lido deck are very small, and if you want to have something like all day and not have to run back and refill, get something larger you can carry around with you. And it's great to have in port too. Fill it up with whatever beverage you want, take it off the ship. Just make sure before you come back on it's empty, because they will screen it thinking possible alcohol is in it and they'll make you dump it out.
Boo.
Yeah. These are Jay's.
Oh, my stink foot things.
Stink foot pads.
Put those away.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is important. This is our first aid kit / medicine bag. It's important to have. You know, we have Band-Aids, Salon Paws, which are good for my booty, Chloroseptic, ibuprofen. I actually have muscle relaxer in here if I need it. That's prescribed. Sucrets, throat lozenges, triple antibiotic ointment, all those things you need just in case, because you can purchase them on the ship, but it will cost you an arm and a leg. So if you have it at home, just bring it with you. Next up, my swimsuits are all in here, so you'll see those later on. Another phone carrying pouch, in case one fills with water, you have a backup, or I can wear one too.
True.
My Carnival hoodie that I purchased on the Vista and I love, and it does keep you warm. I brought a workout tank top, or you know, you can just wear it on an excursion. So nice and lightweight. I lied, I do have another pair of socks.
Nice. Don't be stealing mine.
No. We brought multiple lint rollers because we have cats, and the only time we can get rid of the cat hair is on a cruise or somewhere in a clean environment that does not have cat hair, so we'll go ahead and go through a lot of these usually. For this particular cruise, we're going to try out the new snorkel mask. Is that what this is called?
Yeah, full face.
Full face snorkel mask, which I normally don't bring this and my regular snorkel with me, but we're trying it out and we'll see what happens. Probably on the next trip I'll just decide which one I like better, and I'll just bring that one, because it does take up a lot of space. And that is the end of my duffel. So a lot of it's not necessarily necessities for everybody, but it's what we needed on the trip. Yeah, so that's everything I brought. Not too much actually.
Nice, not bad.
Now, the majority of the things I just went with like basic bottoms and colorful tops, so you don't have to have like multicolored bottoms too, just because it gets too confusing, I think. So that's it, but you'll see all of that in outfit of the day and how I put it all together. And thanks for watching. Bye.